Hey Kayos! Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyo. Today let's talk about ya as verb conjunction. Ya has many different meanings in general. First of all, you may have seen it when somebody calls another person in casual speech. Ya! And second, ya can be also used as a be verb in casual. And third, you may have seen ya as part of this grammar structure, verb plus ya 하다. This means have to do something. But in this video, I'm gonna teach you another meaning when you see ya in the middle of the sentence. In the Korean grammar structure with ya, you're gonna use conjugated verb root plus ya plus another clause. You may interpret this as the subject has to do something so that second clause happens. Or subject has to do something, then second clause happens. So far, it's kind of difficult to grasp how you're gonna apply this grammar into real life sentences.
Marge, I'm confused. Is this a happy ending or a sad ending?
It's an ending, that's enough.
So here are 3 examples you're gonna go through today, and let's get started. 운동해야 기운이 생겨요. I have to exercise so that I get energy. 운동해야. 운동해 is from a verb 운동하다, to exercise. Conjugated to 운동해. Plus ya, which is the grammar that we are learning, have to exercise so that the second clause happens. In this case, the second clause, 기운이 생겨요. 기운 is energy. With 이 subject particle, 생겨요 is from a verb 생기다, to appear. Energy appears means to get energy. 운동을 해야 기운이 생겨요. I have to exercise so that I get energy. 이거 먹어야 건강해져요. You have to eat this so that you become healthy. 이거, this thing. 먹어 is from a verb 먹다, to eat. Conjugated to 먹어. Plus 야, 건강해져요. This is from a verb 건강해지다, to become healthy. 이거 먹어야 건강해져요. You have to eat this so that you become healthy. 이렇게 공부해야 시험을 통과할 수 있어요. I have to study like this so that I can pass the exam. 이렇게, like this. 공부해 is from a verb 공부하다, to study. 야, 시험을, exam with object particle. 통과하, this is from a verb 통과하다, to pass. 알 수 있어요. This is a grammar can. 이렇게 공부해야 시험을 통과할 수 있어요. I have to study like this so that I can pass the exam. 언니, 왜 땀을 많이 흘려? 이렇게 공부해야 시험을 통과할 수 있어. So here's your homework today. The first question. I have to buy 2 so that I get a discount. And second one. I have to read this book so that I become smart. Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If it was useful to you, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and families who are interested in learning Korean language and culture. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.